Hey, good Wednesday morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with your morning update. A little bit later today, a little slow start. Had to help my wife get the granddaughter off to preschool this morning. But nonetheless, there's a lot of weather, and there's always a lot of weather to talk about. So let's get to it. Right now, only precipitation, quite a bit of lake effect, and you can see that the wind direction is out of the southwest, so this is a long stretch of water, and that's where the lake effect is focused right now. Southern parts of Michigan, nothing going on, and you're going to have a dry day and maybe more in the way of cloudiness, maybe a flurry late today, but that's about it. All right, so winter storm warning in whatever color this is, pink maybe. Northern parts of Lower Peninsula, from Petoskey to Sheboygan to Gaylord to Kalkaska. Hey, Deanne Somerset, good morning, and Barbara Dason. Also winter storm warning, Keweenaw Peninsula, then winter weather advisories. Traverse City down to west of Grand Rapids and southwest of Grand Rapids, and then also winter weather advisories in other sections of the UP. Whoop. Radar forecast today showing the lake effect bands oriented toward the northeast. Good morning, Kathleen Conklin. Nothing in the south. Nothing through the Grand Rapids area. We are into 6 o'clock tonight. Hey, Hannah from Sterling Heights. Good morning. Jim Smith weighing in from GM. Good morning there. And now we're getting toward midnight. You can kind of get a feel that the wind is starting to change direction, and we are seeing the lake effect bands more northwest to southeast and starting down in the south. So really it's going to take a while to get going down in the southern and western parts of the state. Probably not till later tonight when light sporadic lake effect will start. Leslie Stark dusting in Lake Ann near Traverse City, and Pamela from Wisconsin. How much should Erie, Michigan get this weekend? I don't know where that is. I guess that's in the far south probably. We'll go over that here, but I think you could be in it for a couple of inches because I'm starting to see an Alberta Clipper type pattern. This is the snowfall forecast from computer model that I like for today through midnight tonight, and it pretty much pinpoints where the heaviest should be. Mansalona, eastern parts of Charlevoix County, maybe northwest of Gaylord, and then the typical spots up in the UP. This is 2 inches right here. But again, in the lake effect, remember, you kind of want to double that, okay? And then you just start to see the light accumulations down in the southwestern part of the state. Jackson, Tom Jackson, how much to stick in Jackson? Nothing for today. Okay. Here's a good way to look at it. This is the total snowfall forecast for northern Michigan. Adrian, again, no snowfall today. This is what the Weather Service is saying today. 4 to 6 inches in this section, Petoskey to Gaylord. And then tonight, another 2 to 4 inches, and starting to shift a little bit down into Kalkaska, a little bit into Traverse City. Ann Arbor, you're going to stay dry as well today. This was a good look, I think, from the Weather Service in Grand Rapids, showing the whole state total forecast through Thursday, 7 p.m. And there you see the heavy area of, that's over 12 inches of snow. And over 12 inches of snow, 18 to 24 in the Keweenaw Peninsula. And then down here in the southwest, that is, let's see, that is about a 4 to 6 inch spot. Grand Rapids, you're in probably 1 or 2 inches of snow. Total snowfall for the next week. shows you that there will be some snow heading into southeast Michigan. It's an Alberta Clipper. Let me just find this for you here. We'll look at it just briefly. Okay. Bear with me a second. Okay, we are getting into an Alberta Clipper pattern. All right, I've been going to Saturday for you, and everything's been showing a circulation developing, and now both models that I look at are picking up on that. And that's a little Alberta Clipper. That's a 1 to 3 inch snow, a wind blown snow. Oh, Gary Farr's rubbing it in. 80 at Clearwater today. Oh, well, we're ready for winter here in Michigan. That's why we live here. Okay, so this is Sunday, and that moves off. Hey, thanks, Eric Sherfield, for the safe and happy day blessings to all of us. Now we're into next week into Monday. Arctic front coming down. Another reinforcing shot. More lake effect snow. And I do want to show you that we're starting to get into the Alberta Clipper type systems. Here's another one coming out of, yeah, you guessed it, Alberta. This would be late next week. So the point being is we are in the cold, and that will be lake effect snow off and on for the next 10 days, and it will be occasional accumulating snow on the eastern side of the state. That's light, fluffy stuff when you talk about Alberta Clippers. 1 to 3 inches. If they get really strong, they can get 4 or 5. If they get a little lake enhancement, they can get 6. It's fluffy. Sometimes it blows into a foot drift, and then you see bare grass in other spots. So it's a different kind of snow than that heavy, wet stuff that comes in out of the southwest. So there you have it. Good travel day in most of Michigan today, except for the snow belts. It is a cold one. And dig out the coats, the winter coats, the hats, the gloves. Have them close at hand. You're going to need them. Who knows? Probably for the duration. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Take care, folks. We'll see you later.